Hi everybody, welcome back to the baking aisle. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my American buttercream. To begin, let me share with you the ingredients we'll be needing for this buttercream. 250 grams of icing sugar, 110 grams of butter, quarter cup of warm heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In my bowl, I'm going to add my 110 grams of butter, and I'm going to whisk this until it is light and fluffy. Now guys, look at how yellow that butter is. By the time I'm done, this butter would be much lighter than it is now. Now guys, look at that difference. Look at how white that butter has turned from yellow to this pale white. Next step, we're going to be adding our icing sugar gradually into this, and we will be alternating it with a little bit of cream. And to prevent a poof, I'm just going to use my spatula to mix that in. And now that my icing is in, I'm going to add a little bit of that cream. Some people might ask, why do we need to whip the butter before adding the icing? Guys, this is what gives me a silky, smooth American buttercream icing. And that's the last of my icing. So if this was the consistency that I was going for, I would not need to add any more cream. But I want it to be a lighter consistency. I want it to still be pipable. So before I add any more cream, I'm just going to add my vanilla extract to that. Guys, you can totally use any flavoring that you like. Anything works. Let me check the consistency. I need it to be a little bit lighter than this. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of my cream. Give it one last mix. As always, I like to paddle my icing to get rid of the air bubbles. Give it a silky smooth finish. Just look how smooth can icing get. It's silky smooth and pipable. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I do appreciate you, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and families, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in my next one.